video. We're gonna get the steering wheel on, we're gonna fix our SRS light, and we're gonna make our horn work again. I'm confident we're gonna get those things done. We've got a proper boss kit. Well, not that the other one wasn't proper, the Momo one. That didn't fit. This one is a works bell from Japan. I got this through Just Jap. This was delivered to my door in less than 24 hours from when I ordered it. So shout out to Just Jap, you absolute legends. They were also very helpful on the phone. Would recommend. This is going to fit our car. It's got an adjustable collar, so we're not going to have the same problem we had last time. We're going to get our awesome Momo wheel on. We're going to fix the SRS light. It's going to be friggin' sick. We're going to be in business. My horn's going to work again. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Serious, it's massive, it looks great. We've got something for the horn, I think that is, and that'll be the bridge SRS light. So hopefully we can get that off. Everything's in Japanese, so I'm just gonna wing it because I do not have the first idea of what any of that says. Cool. We got the first part of our works bell boss kit on. Nice and easy. We went down over there, put these in once you push it in, easy. We got our airbag light, which we've put this little thing on to stop the SRS light. We just stuck that in there where the wires come in, cable tied on there so it doesn't go anywhere. This is our horn thing, which we need to extend. Got to work out how I'm going to extend that. Lengthen this horn wire, so we're going to use one of these little splice kits. We got a bit of wire that came with the horn. We may use that. I may use my own wire because I might want that to be a bit longer. I think that will be okay though. So I'll probably splice this into that. Let's do it. The steering wheel on and it did not fit over this part, and I was thinking, my god, here we go again, something else that doesn't fit. It turns out we just had to rotate this part by undoing these 6 Allen key bolts, rotate it, and now the wheel will fit. We've got a horn wire we still got to connect and join up. Nearly there. I'm very excited. Plug the car back again and see if it works. That's so sick. Working. Alright, the horn wasn't working and I figured out why. I didn't put this in. I didn't really know what that was. Turns out this little thing there has to be touching on that, on the horn button, and that's what earths it out. There's a little earth symbol there which I didn't really see, so I've got to plug power, which is that, into that, put that onto there, and then the horn should work. Very cool. Fortunately this thing does not fit on there. The ring's not quite big enough for it to sit into, so I made this little thing. Let's focus. So the plan is put one end on the horn, stick one end into one of those bolts up there because I don't have an O-ring terminal big enough, so stick that end underneath one of them, do it up really tight, hope it works. Kind of sketch, but that's what we're doing. Alright, first drive of the new wheel. The indicators, the wipers are quite a way away. but I knew that was going to be the case. Feels nice. It's like a lot smaller, like the diameter of the grip is smaller than the other one. Oh, I just missed the indicator. Feels good. I really like it. I don't know if I prefer it to the OEM wheel, probably. I mean, the horn may or may not work. I gotta look into that if it doesn't work. Interestingly, my check engine light just turned off for some reason. So maybe the car's been driving long enough to work its idle out. I don't know, we'll find out when we stop. I dig it. I like this wheel. I would keep this wheel. Maybe it has a little bit of over rev. I need to work out, or like rev hang. But this wheel feels really good. The indicators are so far away, I can barely reach them. Car's idling really nicely. Definitely better than before. Started driving again. Let's see if the check engine light comes on. I love this steering wheel though. I rate it. I just got to get used to how far the indicator is from the wheel, but it's reachable. Oh, it feels so much better with the new idle air control valve. I understand not wanting to pay $450 for one, but damn, give your car what it needs, man. Alright, this is where the check engine light came on last time when we dropped to idle. No engine light. Sick. Oh, engine light. Damn. Oh well. We know how to fix that. Let's do some rippers. Well, my shift knob just snapped. That's not ideal. That's a mad Ralliart one too. Well, there goes our rippers. We just got back from our drive. Steering wheel's mad, big fan. Still got an SRS light. Horn doesn't work. We broke our shift knob. It had a crack in it. Now it's broken. And our check engine light came on, which is what I thought would happen. Have a look at this. We have an idle code. So, that's the injector that we swapped from the original misfire code. So, I'd say we have an issue with an injector. The injector that's now in cylinder 3, because we swapped 2 and 3. 2 had the misfire before, now it's in 3. That's an issue that we now need to sort out. I'm going away for a week to the snow, so I don't really care right now. When I get back, we're gonna have to fix that up. Have to see if it's leaking, pull it out, do whatever. Can't wait. Be learning some more stuff. I'm keen. And that's it. Steering wheel's mad. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace, I'm out.